Most people think an AI agent is just a smarter chatbot. It is not. A chatbot can tell you what to do. An agent can understand a goal, decide what to do next, use tools, remember useful information, and help complete the task. There is a simple way to understand it: reasoning, actions, memory. Put those three together, and you begin to understand an AI agent. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to BricksNotes. I'm Kriti. Today, we're going to explain AI agents in a way that anyone can understand. Start with the LLM. Think of the LLM as the brain. You say, plan my trip to New York. The model understands the request, breaks it into steps, thinks about what information is needed, and decides what should happen next. That is reasoning. But reasoning alone cannot book a hotel, check your calendar, or send an email. For that, the agent needs tools. Think of tools as the hands. A browser can search hotels, a calendar can check availability, maps can calculate distance, a booking system can reserve a room, an email tool can send the confirmation. Now the AI is not only thinking, it can do something. But there is still another problem. Imagine telling your assistant every time, I prefer an aisle seat. I am vegetarian. My hotel budget is $500. Do not schedule meetings before 9. That would get frustrating. This is where memory comes in. Memory gives the agent context. It can remember useful preferences, previous conversations, earlier decisions, or what has already happened during the current task. So now we have three pieces. The LLM provides reasoning, tools provide actions, memory provides context. Put them together, and you have the foundation of an AI agent. But there is one more important piece: a goal. An agent is not simply trying to produce a good sentence, it is trying to move a task toward completion. Imagine you say, help me prepare for tomorrow's meeting. A chatbot might say, review your notes and prepare key questions. Useful but generic. An agent can go further. It can check your calendar, identify the meeting, read related documents, review previous emails, remember what was discussed last time, prepare talking points, and draft a follow up email. That is the difference. A chatbot gives you an answer. An agent works toward an outcome. An agent does not simply follow, question, answer. It works more like goal, reason, choose a tool, act, observe the result, decide what to do next, then repeat until the task is complete or human approval is required. Think, act, observe, remember, repeat. The same idea works everywhere. A customer service agent can check an order and prepare a refund. A data agent can inspect a failed pipeline and recommend a fix. An HR agent can check leave balance, policy, and team availability before submitting a request. A finance agent can investigate an unusual transaction and gather evidence. Different agents may even use the same underlying language model. What makes them different is often the tools they can use, the context they receive, the memory they keep, the instructions they follow, and the permissions they have. The model may be the reasoning engine, but a useful agent needs an entire system around it. And there is one thing we should never forget: giving AI tools also gives AI power. If an agent can send emails, modify databases, approve transactions, deploy code, or move money, it needs boundaries. It needs permissions, it needs approval steps, it needs observability. And important actions may still require a human. A good agent should also know when not to act. Sometimes the safest action is to ask a question, request approval, or escalate the task. The goal is not to let AI do everything. The goal is to let AI do the right things safely. So here is the simplest way to remember it. The LLM is the brain. Tools are the hands. Memory provides the context. A goal gives direction. Controls define the boundaries. Together, they create a system that can reason, act, remember, observe what happened, and continue working toward an outcome. That is why AI agents feel different from normal chatbots. They are not only designed to answer, they are designed to work. So the next time someone asks, what exactly is an AI agent? You can explain it in one line. An AI agent is a system that can reason, use tools, remember context, and work toward a goal within clear boundaries. LLM equals reasoning. Tools equal actions. Memory equals context. Bring them together around a goal, and you understand the foundation of an AI agent. Thank you for watching BricksNotes. Follow BricksNotes for more practical data engineering, Databricks, and AI concepts. Keep learning, keep building, and keep growing.